Hi, welcome to Out and About with Tom and Sherry. I'm Sherry.
I'm Tom.
And we're on the Carnival Magic for my retirement cruise. So super exciting. So we kind of upgraded, and this is our first time in an ocean view suite. So we thought we'd give you a tour.
Ocean view suite or balcony suite?
Ocean view balcony
Suite.
They're called ocean view suite. Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay, Tom. Do a tour. A lot more room.
Yeah. That was one thing that struck me is this ocean view suite has a lot more room than a traditional balcony cabin. We got some glasses
Got some
and a mirror.
too.
I'm Tom. That's Sherry. The bathroom is quite a bit bigger. Got another closet here. Ooh,
Bathrobes.
bathrobes. Life preservers. Hopefully we get to take those to the muster drill.
Nice vanity, nice sitting area.
Bigger bathroom
With a jacuzzi tub.
with a jacuzzi tub. Couple of things at Elemis. Shower gel and shampoo. Towels, lights.
Double sink.
And this is for real. See if I can do this. Nah, it doesn't work. Never mind.
Nice entry. Entry's pretty big.
The entry's big.
A lot of darker wood.
You know, when we looked at this room on the map, we're like, yeah, looks like there's a little bit more room between the bed and the couch, and that's not it. But this room is substantially bigger.
Large couch.
Oh, much bigger balcony. Balcony's narrow, but it's long. And the view off the balcony to the deck below. Now that's the port. You won't see this view forever, so don't worry about that. Now you got to close out our room tour.
Oh. Well, we had some additional perks too that came with the suite. We got early priority boarding, so that went really quick.
That was nice.
Yeah, that was really nice. And we get 2 extra waters.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Priority disembarking on the tender ports, I think it was. And what else did we get? Oh, the robes.
The robes.
Tom's always wanted a robe on our cruise. So anyway, so
In-room life preservers, but I think those come with every cabin.
Yeah, thankfully. So yeah, so I think that was it.
Immediate access to the room, which was nice.
Oh yeah, exactly. That's why we're in here. It is almost 12 o'clock, 11:45, and we got early boarding, so we were 11 to 11:30. So yeah.
Yep.
So pretty quick. So immediately to the room, which is really nice. We don't have to carry our stuff around.
They were announcing on the speakers that people would have access to their rooms at 1:30. So we got to come to our room right away, drop our stuff off, which is handy.
Pretty good. So yeah. So we'll be posting some more if we can.
Yep.
So you may find this on Facebook. Eventually it'll show up on YouTube.
Out and About with Tom and Sherry.
Out and About with Tom and Sherry on Facebook. So,
Be sure to hit like and subscribe. Helps us keep the channel going. Helps us pay for a ocean view suite.
It's just a small group of friends on our channel.
Well, we'll have to change any second.
Yeah. All right. Thanks a lot. We'll see you later.
Ciao.